Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop TikTok videos from autoplaying in the background. Start by opening the TikTok app. Head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, look at the top right and tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From there, go into Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you find Data Saver and tap on it. This feature is designed to help you save data while using TikTok, and it also lets you stop videos from autoplaying when you're on mobile data. On the Data Saver page, simply turn the toggle on. Once enabled, videos won't autoplay when you're using mobile data. And that's it. That's how you stop TikTok from autoplaying videos in the background. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell as well. Thanks for watching.